Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust notification bar icons on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the notification section and here you can adjust your notification bar icons. For example, you can go to the more notification settings and here you can disable this feature, show notification icons in the status bar, and you won't see any icons here at the status bar when you get notifications. You can also wake up screen, turn on screen when notifications are received, and for example you can hide notification content when your screen is locked, and you can also manage all the other notifications here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.